வெல்கம் டு கிரியேட்டிவ் இன்ஃபோ சேனல். நீங்கள் இதுவரை நமது சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணவில்லை என்றால் இது போன்ற பல சுவாரஸ்யமான கிரியேட்டிவான வீடியோகளை பெற நமது கிரியேட்டிவ் இன்ஃபோ சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.
All of you, good morning. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. Okay. Today we are going to see the Hindi vowels. Are you ready to see it? You have to reply as. Are you ready? You have to say, yes, I am ready. What you have to say? Yes, I am ready. Okay then, shall we start? I will show you some club cards. You have to identify that letters. Okay. So in Hindi, there are vowels, consonants, and combined letters. And these three are called as Varnamala. What? Varnamala. Hindi vowels we call as Swar. What? Swar. And Hindi consonants we call as Vyanjan. All of you say Vyanjan. And combined letters we call as Sanyuktakshar. Sanyuktakshar. Okay, the three whole is called as Varnamala. In English we say as alphabets. Okay. To learn Hindi we have to very clear about these vowels, consonants and combined letters. These alphabets we have to be very clear. So in Hindi vowels, I told you that there are 13 letters. Shall we say? Okay. Repeat after me. A, I, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Aha. Okay, shall we try again? A, 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 I, 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 U, 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 Ru, 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 E, 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 I, O, 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 Au, 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 um, Aha, aha, aha. Very good. You are doing very good. Okay, now shall we see the vowels? I will show you one by one the plug cards. Okay. Now the first one is, this one is A. Well, if you pronounce it like this, A. A. The next one is A. A. Next one is E. E. Okay, after this, the letter comes as E. E. Okay, the next letter is U. U. Okay, the next Oo. Oo. Next one is Ru. You can also pronounce it as Ri. Ri or Ru. Ru. Next one is A. A. Next one is I. I. Next one is O. O. Next one is Ow. Ow. You have to repeat after me. Okay. Okay, the next letter is um. Okay, and the last Hindi vowel letter is aha. This is the 13th letter. Okay, aha, aha. Now you understood the letters. Now you understood the letters now? Okay, then I will now show you one images of the Hindi vowels. Okay, you have to see this one. Okay. See this one, these are the Hindi vowels letters. Okay. The first, can you see the images? The first one is Hindi vowels swar. Hindi vowels swar. The next one, there are 13 letters in Hindi vowels. Okay, shall we count it? A, I, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Aha. Very good. Okay, the first, okay, you can see the pictures here. First one is, first letter is a, ananas, pineapple. A, ananas, pineapple. Can you see? A, ananas, pineapple. A, ananas, pineapple. Second letter, a, आदमी, man. A, आदमी, man. Okay. Now the third one is E, इमारत, building. E, इमारत, building. Okay. Next one. E, eek, sugarcane. E, eek, sugarcane. Okay. The next one is U, ullu, owl. U, ullu, owl. Okay, the next one is U, ऊंट, camel. ऊंट, camel. Okay. The next one is Rushi, sage. Rushi, sage. Okay, the next one. Lady, eel. Lady, eel. Okay, the next one is Aina, spectacles. Or else you can pronounce it as specs. The short form for spectacles is specs. Aina, spectacles. Okay, last week I taught you up to this. Now the next four letters are O, und, lips. O, und, lips. All of you pronounce O, und, lips. O, und, lips. Okay. Next one is ow, औरत, woman. औ, औरत, woman. औ, औरत, woman. Next one is अंगूर, grapes. अंगूर, grapes. Okay, the last one is aha, 6, 6. aha, 6, 6. Okay. Now you understood the Hindi vowels letters? Very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, today I showed you the Hindi vowels letters images. Okay. Now I will teach you how to write the Hindi vowels letters. Okay. We have to do the writing practice also, no? Every day ma'am used to give you homework. Are you doing it regularly? After this, after a minute, I will teach you how to write the Hindi vowels letters. Okay? We will see the writing practice. See, I will show how to write the letters. Okay, the first letter is a ananas. A ananas. Line, skipping line, standing line, skipping line. Okay, again I will show you how to write the letter ananas. Line, skipping line, standing line, skipping line. Okay, now I will show you how to write the Hindi vowel letters. Okay, the first letter is ananas, pineapple. Shall we write them? Okay. Line, skipping line, standing line, sleeping line. This is a. The second letter is line, skipping line, standing line, and sleeping line. This is a. Okay. The third and the fourth letter is standing line, and sleeping line. Standing line, Okay. Again, we will write the Hindi vowels letters. The first and the second letter. Line, sleeping line, standing line, and sleeping line. This is a. Second letter is line, sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, sleeping line. A. Okay, the third and the fourth letter is standing line, curve line, and sleeping line. E. Curve line, sleeping line, and curve line. This is E. Shall we see the fourth letter again? standing line, curved line, sleeping line, curved. This is E. And the next letter is U. Curved line, sleeping line, U. Next letter, curved line, sleeping line. This is U. Now the next letter, Ru. Standing line, slanting line, line, curve. This is Ru. Shall we see this letter again? Okay. First standing line, slanting line, then curve line, and then sleeping line. This is Ru. Now the next letter is standing line, slanting line, sleeping line. This is A. Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. This is I. Okay, the next letter, curved line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, and slanting line. O. Okay. And next letter, like this also you have to write the out. Curved line, sleeping line, standing line, once more standing line, sleeping line, and slanting, two lines. This is out. Okay. In O we used to write only one slanting line. But in out we have to write the two slanting lines. Okay. Okay. Next letter is curved line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, and dot. This is And the last letter is curved line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, and two dots. Okay. Okay, then have you understood? Very good. Okay, now you understood how to write the Hindi vowels letters. Okay. Okay, then you have to practice it daily. Huh? As ma'am had written, you have to also write the Hindi vowels letters. Okay. Now, for this today it is okay. And you have to be clear with the Hindi vowels letters. Shall we sing again the Hindi vowels letters? You have to shake your head and you have to do like this. Okay? A, I, U, Ru, E, I, O, A. Very good. Super. Okay, for today, these Hindi vowels letters, you are clear with it. Now you are clear with it. I have taught you all the Hindi vowels letters, which is called as in Hindi as swar. Now, are you very clear about this? Okay, then very good. Okay, then next week I will teach you the consonants. Okay. Okay, then bye.